happy Wednesday. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna try to talk loud because my fan is currently on. It's hot. I can't do the heat right now. This is what I have on my reset. I'll probably, actually, you know what, I'm gonna do a screenshot of this so that I have it saved. Sorry. Actually press something. So I have shred / file paper. I do have a few, like, you know, like you get paper. Sometimes I think I should actually get paperless stuff. I think I have paperless for some stuff, but certain stuff I just feel like I do need to get paper. I don't want to put it into paperless because then I'll forget to pay for it, you know what I mean? So unless it's like monthly thing like my student loans, then that, like, I'm up on top of that talking about student loans. Don't get me started, because now I'm gonna have to pay 2 loans. But I mean, it was bound to happen. You guys already know about the whole, I'm not going into politics or whatever, but you know, the thing didn't pass over for the plan to push it back any longer. Hey, it was good while it lasted, but they're like, nope, you gotta pay up. So I was kind of just getting that set up for payments so that when October rolls around, I can start paying that loan. I already had my other loan that I was already paying for anyway, so now we're just going to be paying 2 loans, and that's what it is. But anyway, so the first thing I have is shred and file paper. Now I have done a haul on this, but I never came back and gave a review, but I have used this shredder already. This is the hand shredder that I got from TEMU, and I will say this, do not think, yes, I have a coupon code for TEMU. Yes, I do love TEMU generally. I just put in another order today, but it's actually for things that I actually need. So most likely I may do a haul for that, but that will be like probably later down the line because I have so much content that I have to work on, but that's neither here nor there. But anyway, I have used this. You can't see anything, obviously. There's actually some paper still stuck in here. I wish I could show you guys, but you can't see. But this is the bottom, this is the top. Oh, there's paper still in here. Told you guys I used it. It just fell out my hand. That I didn't clean out from the last time. But this is actually a lifesaver. Believe it or not, you wouldn't imagine how many papers I shredded the last time I used this, which was, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago. My hand was hurting, but it is an investment because I didn't want a huge shredder. I just wanted something small. The thing is, was hoarding all that paper for so long. That's why it was so much paper. But now I'm trying to make it a what do you call it? A habit of, like, when I get these papers, once I'm done, whatever I need, I file them. Again, another team order, another shameless plug, but I got this accordion file folder. Now I can just put everything in here. It makes it easy for me. I actually have paper in here ready, so that's what I did. Once I purchased this, I like literally sat down and did that. But like, as you guys can see, I have a bunch of paper in here, so I'm actually using it. That is the goal that I'm gonna do. So the box that I got last time, it just says Uncle Funky's daughter, good funky stuff for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. So this is what the box looks like. And then it says sealing my waves, the sticker. Nice red paper wrapping. I think last time it was orange or something. So everything matches the theme, which I love that what they do with their packaging. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to show it to you guys without falling. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is just for me as a content creator of when everything needs to drop. And I was right. Everything has to normally be dropped by the 15th or before the 15th of that month, because this is for September promotion. So the 2 products that I got is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream and the Curl Stimulator on the Curl Magic Curl Stimulator. Now this is this. Now here's the thing, I need to use this within the week. So what I'm thinking of is probably taking out these clip-in extensions and doing a hairstyle with my natural hair on not so freshly washed hair. I don't know how that's gonna go, but to see how the products work. Next thing that I have to do is I also want to finish this book that I keep on saying I'm going to finish and I have not finished, and that's this book. And I want to work on my September calendar content, and I want to do my wash day on Saturday. So now I'm kind of like, I want to take this down so that I can try these products and also do content. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so this camera's not doing my hair justice and I really don't care, but to catch you guys up on today, so I just got my therapy session, and this is what people don't talk about. Like, I feel like I'm laughing, but like I feel like when you're like in therapy, I feel like you think like you're going in there like, this is not my first session. I've had multiple sessions, but I feel like I always go in there like thinking like, oh, this is gonna be whatever, and I feel like by the end, like my therapist gets you all together, and you're like, yeah. But that's the point of therapy. I feel like it's the person is supposed to like help you like deal with things, and you're talking. And I'm not a person who likes to talk. I'm telling you right now, but I feel like my therapist is really good at like she's a good fit, because that's the thing. I have BetterHelp. Now, I'm not sponsored BetterHelp. If you want to sponsor me, by all means, sponsor me. But yeah, I use BetterHelp. That's how I found my therapist. And to be very real and transparent with you, I also, so with BetterHelp you can check. I promise you this is not sponsored. I'm just putting it out there. You can actually choose like what type of therapist you want. Do you want it to be a female, blah blah, like you have all that criteria, right? And I did say I wanted a Christian therapist. Now, somebody who's Christian, who at least believes in like the Bible and stuff like that, because yeah, whatever. And so like I was just talking about stuff, whatever, and like then my therapist has to pull out this is not the first time that she pulls out a Bible and she's like, just read that and other stuff, because sometimes she'll like give me homework or stuff like that to do. And yeah, so but I'm just like, in my mind I'm just thinking like, that's the thing with therapy. Like I feel like once you like, if the person gets to know you and stuff like that, it kind of becomes more natural. Like I'm not schooling therapy, because some people don't believe in therapy, you know, they believe, you know, God is going to solve everything, and that may be true, but sometimes you need to talk to somebody else. I'm just keeping it real and transparent. There was a point in time where I wanted to just cancel therapy, because I'm like, oh, whatever. Not because my therapist is bad, I was just like, nah, I don't need to do anything else. I feel like I'm good, but no, like, if you know like you're not good, and I think people think therapy is like, oh, you have to be diagnosed with a mental illness to be in therapy, and like, no. Sometimes you just need somebody else to talk talk about your problems and talk about everything and just break things down, because sometimes you feel like you know everything, but like realistically I feel like with therapy, like your therapist can literally break down things and be like, okay, this is why you do this, or this is how you can combat this, or this is how you can work on this, or let me give you the tools to work on this. And that's really why I joined therapy, for all those reasons really. Because I just want to be a better person. I feel like I'm getting older. I'm not getting any younger. This year I'll be 28. In 2 years I'll be 30, which is, I can't believe that. But, you know, I'm getting older. So I'm just trying to, like, be my best self. You know? That's really what it is. But anyway, I watched a little bit of YouTube. I just watched Jasmine Deshel's video, which was this video, but I was too busy. Don't multitask like me, but I was just too busy multitasking. And to show you guys that I actually watched it, I'm gonna go over my view history, because some people be saying, you know, I'm not saying that people lie, but I actually watched 3 people's. I was trying to catch up, because I'm really bad at, like, or if I do watch it, sometimes I don't comment. I watch people's stuff and then I'll like it, but I don't actually comment on the video, which is fine because I'm still giving them support. But sometimes I like to comment so just to let people know, like, I'm still watching. But I just finished watching, I'm trying to see if it will focus, Healy Means video. I think it kind of focused. And then up top, that's Jasmine's video that I watched. This video I didn't watch, but you know how, like, YouTube is weird, like, where do you, like, if something is, like, if you have YouTube open and even if you're not watching it, the lines will start watching it even if you're not physically watching it. So whatever. Alright, I'm actually getting a thing for these photos because now they're in the way, but we're just puff rocking the puff. This is a shirt I got from, what do you call this place, TJ Maxx. Sorry, it was Burlington. I'm pretty sure it was Burlington, not TJ Maxx. I've gone to, like, many different TJ Maxx throughout the city, so I feel like I always find something. But it just says, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me get closer. It says, do not disturb, and, like, glitter letters. And then I'm just wearing sweatpants. I'm not even trying to be cute today. I'm gonna be real. So I'm trying to be cute and comfy. That's what it is. So these sweatpants are from not from anything fancy. When I went to Georgia, that's what I'm wearing. And this Windbreaker jacket, just because it's cold, I'm gonna wear it. It's like pink, white, and black. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got that from TEMU. I will link what I can find. I know I can link this, but I don't know if I'm probably not gonna find the thing, because this is, like, branded from a gift store. I might find the top, but it's a close, I don't know. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this perfume. Let me see if I can focus it for you guys. The Black Opium. This has kind of been my staple one, but I do like, I have a bunch of Calvin Klein ones. Hold on, let me flip you guys over. Yeah, I have a bunch of Calvin Klein ones I like as well that I've been rotating, like, how much time do I have? Let me time Klein. This is the Euphoria one. This is really good. There's another one that I have that I tried that is really good. I haven't tried this one yet. I'm just spinning my little, you know, situation here to show you guys. I've tried this a few times. I like this one too. The Eternity for Women. As you guys can see, it's like half. Oh, I almost dropped it. As you guys can see, it's halfway done. So I do use the Eternity a lot. I don't know if you guys can focus it a little bit for you. Yeah, halfway done with that. I would do a perfume haul, but, like, that's hit or miss. Comment down below if you want one. I'll do it. I feel like I have luxury perfumes, and I mean, high brand and low brand perfumes. I have a good thing. I do need to organize this a little bit. Like, I have a few hair products on the side. I gotta, like, move them out of the way because they weren't initially there, but then I had to use them, and then I never put them back where they needed to be. So that's also what I have to do. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm not gonna waste your time. I am going to actually clean my glasses. Actually, I feel like I have to constantly clean my glasses all the time. I dropped the picture. Because it gets on my nerves. They get if your glasses were, I should say, they get very like dirty very fast, and it's so annoying. Alright, I was looking for this. It just fell off on the floor. So this is the Pro Lens Cleaner. I use wipes. I've used anything, but I use this as well. Time is ticking. I'm not going to talk too much, but I'm going to use this to clean my glasses. And I'll probably see you guys when I come. I'm trying to get the lighting. I'll probably see you guys when I come back. You guys, I wanted to do a quick voiceover for this part because it was like random. But I'll show you guys what I got. I was hungry. I wanted to grab something quick and easy, so I ended up getting a deli sandwich by my house when I came from my dentist appointment. That's where I went. I forgot to tell you guys, but that's where I went. I had to go get my cleaning done. My dentist is very different now. Like, we have a separate like hygienist and stuff like that and all this stuff. I didn't have that in my past dentist, so in a way I'm kind of happy I switched dentists. But anyway, I forgot to turn on the camera. At least I thought it was on. I was just writing my September. Now this is just a calendar where I write like my appointments and stuff, and like just like important events on there. I do have a planner. I didn't show you guys my planner this time, but I do have my planner where I actually write out content. But yeah, that's all I did. I wrote my days off. Of course I had to write those down because I'm back to work. So I'll talk to you guys really fast because I had to delete some footage that I didn't really want because my card is full, which means I filmed maybe an hour or maybe 2 hours of content, which is a lot of content. But I wanted to have an outro. So really quickly, these are the two dresses that I'm thinking about wearing tomorrow. I do need an undershirt for this one, unfortunately. I hope I have a black undershirt. I may have a brown one, but I feel like the brown is going to be see-through. This shirt is dress, and I'm wearing black specifically, but yeah. So I'm going to try this on because I don't know. It's been a minute since I wore this dress. I think somebody gave it to me. And then this one, but this would be a better option, honestly, because then I wouldn't have to worry about wearing an undershirt. So I'm going to try that on. And then lastly, I did get 2 packages. So I got Drape Fit. I will be doing a separate video on this for a collaboration. And then I got my Amazon package, which I got a new like cleaning scrubber. Maybe I'll do a video on it at some point. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe because my battery is dying too now. Bye.